Draw learning. Today we are going to draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon, while we learn Spanish. This is the face contour. Face in Spanish is CARA. We draw their adorable eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. We draw his smiling mouth. Mouth in Spanish is said BOCA. We draw its legs. That in Spanish is said patas. This Pokemon is plant type. It is very powerful. Come on guys, it's looking very good. What it is carrying on his back is a bulb, that in Spanish is said BULBO. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say plant in Spanish? At the end of the chapter we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use light green, that in Spanish is said VERDE CLARO. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Now we use red, which in Spanish is rojo. Now we use a darker green, that in Spanish is said verde oscuro. We color it turquoise. Turquoise in Spanish is TURQUESA. Let's see if you know the answer. Plant in Spanish is PLANTA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.